So we got this situation. The term independent of x means we want x to the power 0. Now look at this. In this part, you know that you have m plus 1 elements, and in this part you know that n plus 1 element exists. So if you'll go with one by one fight now, you will be in a trouble. Okay, so what you should do, just observe your question. So if you'll observe, the first element is 1 plus x power m, and if you will observe this thing minutely now, you will have x plus 1 by x power n. Look at this thing is same, correct na? So can I write this thing as 1 plus x power m plus n, because the base is same, so power will be added and the denominator will carry power n. Now look at this. Now from here, what should be the power of x, so that the moment it will come outside, it will encounter x power n, and as a result we wish to have x to the power 0. So how we will manage this situation? Like suppose that you are at home and outside your home two-person exists, so you want outside, like you will send two-person from this side, correct no? So here suppose that here is x power n and you wish to have x to the power 0. Okay, so you what you will do, you will ask x power n to come outside, correct? Then only it will get neutralized na. So to whom we will ask to come? We will ask m plus n cn to come outside. Then only you will have x power n, and the denominator is also x power n is waiting outside. So these two things will get neutralized and we will be left with m plus n cn. Okay, so this is the a term independent of x. Suppose that this is not the part of your answer, so what will be the answer? You know that this is 100% correct, so they may have manipulated the lower subscript by using that property m plus n c m plus n minus n. So the second option would be m plus n c m. So either this thing will be in the option or this thing will be the option. Okay, which means both are the correct thing. I hope the idea is clear.